In the last video, we have added some fillets to this rectangle, and we have placed circle on the corner of the sketch. Now we will make a slot extrusion over here and to trim something and add some edges over here. So let's get started. I am going to select the corner rectangle, and then I am going to let's go and select corner rectangle. Here we will make a pathway over here. We can also center it, but we'll just get around. So we need something, we need some extrusion over here. So I'll just define from here, and I'll make sure that the center is the origin. So we'll make that. We'll go and make center line and find the middle point. You can see, to find the middle point, we just hover around and the middle point appears. Click on the middle point and draw a center line. We'll draw another center line. I'll press escape to cancel the center line, then created another center line. Now I've created another center line. Now let's zoom in, control, and then zoom wheel down. Now we need that the intersection point becomes the intersection as well. So we'll make sure that these lines intersect. So first click on this line and this line, this point. Make sure that this is the midpoint. Now this line and this point, this line and this point, select with your shift point the midpoint relation. Now this is centered. Now we have to add some extrusion from here. So to add extrusion, first select this line and then this. Add an extrusion of 10 mm extrusion. Also on the other side, add 10 mm of an extrusion. Select this point, and add 10 mm extrusion. Now to define the thickness of this extrusion, add a 15 mm extrusion. Now we can see that both sketches are interfering. So to make this one, we go to trim entities and then power trim. With power trim, just click and draw a shape to delete the lines. Delete all these lines. Make sure you don't interfere with the other dependencies, and now you can see that the inner color is colored, and we have a lot of coordinations and dependencies over here. So we have used the trim function to trim the edges, and we have created a rectangle around which has extended our base. So in the next video, we'll extrude this and make some cuts in the following part. Subscribe to the channel.